Hey Internet, welcome to Thermodynamics tutorial. This is a made-up question not found in your textbooks. So we have this multi-choice question. For this question, we want to find the correct conversion for 10 degrees Celsius. So we're heating an object and it's increasing by 10 degrees. What is the increase in temperature equivalent to from A, B, C, D, or E? So the answer is D, 18 Rankine. So we can check this using the Python code. And the explanation on why that is the correct answer is because the temperature difference of 10 degrees Celsius is equal to 18 degrees Rankine, because the Rankine scale has the same relationship to Celsius for temperature differences as Fahrenheit does, with a conversion factor of 1.8. Some common mistakes are found in incorrectly assuming Fahrenheit is equal to Celsius. It is not. Mislabeling, so correct Fahrenheit conversion. And then we've got incorrect conversion from Celsius to Kelvin, and using 273 instead of 273.15 for Kelvin. Okay, so those are the Python code. The code is in the pinned comment. There is also an EES version of the code, but I can't show you that code, but it is in the pinned comment. Alright, so disclaimers, the method is correct, however, I do make calculation mistakes. I encourage you to solve it yourself and see if you get the same answer. Before we leave, I highly encourage you to save this video onto your PC using snipping tool. So if you're on a Mac, you can use the Mac equivalent of snipping tool. If you never used snipping tool before, click on the icon in your taskbar. If it's not there, go into your Windows search, type in snipping tool, click on the app, open it up, click on video option, click on new, left click and drag the rectangle to cover the YouTube screen. This is just an example. Hit the start button on snipping tool, wait for the countdown, hit the replay button on YouTube, let the video finish, and then hit the red square in snipping tool to stop recording, then save your video. Thanks for watching. Hope you had a great day. Be sure to like and subscribe. Share with your friends, because this is a made-up question, so they probably won't be able to find it. If you got questions, comments, or if you find a mistake in this video, leave it in the comment section. I will get back to you as soon as possible. If you want to support me, become a member or drop a super thanks. Until next time, see ya.